All right, folks, we're showing you just how easy it is to cut these trenches in. So the tool that's being used should be in your garage already. This is a sharpshooter type shovel that Michael's using right now. This is a round point. Either would be a fine tool. Others might have a chopping shovel, which is a little bit more oval in shape and flat, with a heavier handle. Basically, the idea is you drop it into the ground and push back and forth, creating a what we like to call a crease. Basically, just getting it 3 to 5 inches into the dirt, not just under the grass or under the mulch, but we want to get it into the dirt. That way we don't have any issues with edgers or weed eaters or whatever hitting our wires down the road. This is a direct burial wire, so just make sure we get that crease deep enough to get the wire in the ground. Then you have areas like this where you're actually going underneath a header curve for like a planter like Michael's got here. Basically just digging about 6 inches down to get underneath this header curve so we can pull our wires into that planter well. Pretty straightforward, again, with tools that you should already have in your garage. Not a ton of labor, just a little bit of elbow grease and you're there.